Hey MilleyRocks, it's Camille coming to you back with another video. Today I finally did an eyebrow tutorial. I know it's been a while, a lot of people have requested this and I finally did it. As you can see, we got, let me zoom in for y'all. You can see that these brows are pretty fleeky, okay? I don't even think people say that anymore, but they on point, okay? So if you would like to achieve these crisp, clean, nice, beautiful brows, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. I'm gonna keep it real simple for y'all. Stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Become a part of the MilleyRocks family. And yeah, y'all already know what to do. Stay tuned. Go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer. I am going to start with my powder. Get you a cheap, like, loose face powder. This is by Airspun, and this is the translucent extra coverage. Okay, so just get you some regular powder. You're gonna need a fluffy brush like this. Powder your brows. Put a lot of powder. Make it ashy, y'all. Ashy. Okay, and this powder is about $5. So I'm gonna use my mirror to kind of see what I'm doing. Make sure I got a lot of powder on there. That is the secret, is to have your brows very matte and dry. Then we're gonna take our Morphe Java pencil. Okay, y'all get the gist. We're gonna take this Morphe Java pencil and we are going to begin the process. It's a fresh one. We're gonna take the spoolie side. We're just gonna brush the hairs upward. Okay, and I'm gonna take a little bit more powder. And we got a fresh tip. So we're just gonna take that and we're going to carve out the bottom. Hopefully y'all can see this. Let me see. Can y'all see? So we're gonna carve out the bottom with a curved line. Okay, you want to go with the natural shape of your eyebrow. Okay, so I just took that and just went right under. Okay, like that. Got a straight line. Y'all see that? Okay, and then we're gonna take the pencil and go up above. We're gonna carve the outline of our brows. You see that? Okay, so you see we have the two lines. Let me zoom. Can y'all see? I want to make sure y'all can really see this. So we got the two lines, a line underneath and a line at the top. And you see there are some like spaces where there aren't shaded in. We're gonna shade that in lightly. So we're gonna do hair-like strokes, light strokes. Lightly. Don't take your pencil and do it rough. You just want to do it very light. And you see how there, those areas where it was spaces are now filled, but they're lightly filled. Okay, so there you have a brow. So we're not finished yet. We're gonna take our spoolie end of our pencil and we're gonna go and just fluff those brows out. Literally. That's literally how you do it. You see how that brow looks? So I'm gonna zoom out so you can see. Hopefully y'all can see. So we got this brow that's nice and crisp, and then we got this is how my regular brow is. And so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the other one, and then I'm gonna clean both of these brows up. I'll show you how that process is next. So as you can see, we have both of the brows on. You saw how quick that was? So quick, so easy. You just want to do a line underneath and a line at the top and lightly flick in hairs where the spaces are. You don't want a full-on bush. You don't want it to be too dark. You want it to be light and nice, light and airy, like a natural brow. So we got our brows, and I'm going to clean these up, and I'm going to show y'all how to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a lighter concealer for underneath the brows. This is my e.l.f. Camo Concealer Matte Formula. So we're going to take this, and I got this in shade Deep Olive. And then we're going to take a darker concealer for the top, and this is the Beauty Blender 4.30 Warm Deep Amber shade. This is the Beauty Blender Bounce Concealer. And I just put these, I don't know if y'all can see it, the concealer, here's the dark one and here's the light one on my little Airspun thing. I'm going to take a Morphe 224 brush, the M224 brush is my favorite under concealer brush for my brows. So I'm going to zoom in so y'all can see what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take the lighter concealer. It's going to go underneath my brow. So take it, I kind of like to slant it like this and literally just carve out. And some people don't go under the entire brow. I do, but you don't have to. And I find more concealer the better, and then you can just remove the excess. So, and I like to do it hard. When you do it hard, you get a cleaner line. You see that? Get some concealer on both sides, and I just go above at the top. And clean that up like that. And this is closer to my skin tone. I know y'all see that brow is popping already. And you always want to go before the brow. So you want to start from like the center and go out. That's how you make your brows really, really clean. So like that. Period, okay? I know y'all see that. Oh, that's cute, or whatever. That's cute. So, then we're gonna take our fluffy, it's this a little fluffy, but it's mostly dense. This is a dense brush. This is the M335 brush, and we're just gonna go underneath and get that light concealer and brush it down. Brush that concealer down. Yep, just like this. Brush it down, and then we want to go in the middle and then get those edges, that harsh concealer. And it should blend seamlessly because you don't want to do too light of concealers or too dark of a concealer. And the top concealer can be like your foundation color, or you can use foundation. If you don't want to use a concealer the same shade as your skin tone, you can use foundation. You just clean it up, y'all. I know y'all see these brows. And this is not even my best work because I'm teaching, but I'm telling y'all, this is the quickest way to get your brows like so crisp, so clean, so natural. And yeah. So now we're gonna take a e.l.f. medium brow tint. This is a brow tint. We're gonna take that and we're just going to go in and make sure we fluff out our brows with this. And this, I had this for a minute, y'all. Using a little bit of this product. And this just makes sure that like everything stays in place. And if you have any of that powder, which we don't, see the powder just kind of disappeared and faded. This will kind of catch any of that white powder that we put down in the beginning. So there we have it. There we have it. It looks so good, y'all. Look so good. So finally we have the easiest brow tutorial by Milley. That was pretty quick, pretty simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.